My name is Patrick Perry. I own Efficient Energy Solutions Solar, and we've been dealing with QuickBOLT. It's about 5 years, 6 years.
Why did you first start using QuickBOLT?
Because there are solutions for different types of roofs, as far as the stanchions.
Gotcha. What types of roofs do you usually use our products on?
We've used it on comp shingle before, and we use it on tile roofs mostly, most of the tile roofs. The service has been real good. The products have done exactly what I was told they would do. And we've been real happy with the service there and with the people there, and the customer service has been great. We found the quality real good. The nice thing about the tile hooks that we've ordered, we don't have to do anything to the tile most of the time, which is a great thing. So it saves a lot of time. I mean, we're talking, 3-4 hours at least. Because if you have, for example, if you have 46 stanchions on a roof, and every one of them you have to, bring down to size to fit that tile hook. That takes a lot of time. It's a big save on man hours.